Let your global vision meet business excellence. MBA Global Business Management at Chandigarh University lets you gain expertise in financial markets, risk management, and corporate leadership with industry-driven training. Dive deep into global trade, cross-border investments, and marketing strategies with an internationally focused curriculum. Learn from top global corporate leaders through live projects, case studies, and expert talks. Experience hands-on learning with real-time market analysis and business simulations. Master AI-driven decision-making, data-driven strategies, and digital transformation techniques. Build a strong professional network with international summits, alumni meets, and corporate mentoring. Work with global business giants in consulting, banking, retail, and digital enterprises. Become a global business leader. Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.